Hey guys, Andover Adam here. Oh, hey, Petey Polar Bear, Polly Penguin, Perry Penguin. Is it that time already? Oh my gosh, you're telling me Santa Claus is coming right now? Right now? But it's so hot out. We gotta start sewing. Okay, you guys got it. Alright, so I was so excited about Santa Claus coming that I have less hair now. I don't really know how that happened. That being said, let's look for the signs of Christmas. Temperature outside, 112 in Phoenix. Snowing. No snow in sight, but the air conditioning, one time I broke it, and there were some things coming out of it. So there's that. And three, do we have things to put presents under? I found a cactus outside, and that's basically the same thing. So it is time for Christmas in July, as we can clearly see. Now, Scandi 2020, the first collection I'm showing you here, is a classic. It's short for Scandinavian Christmas, which Macaur UK has done so well. You've got the nice reds to grays to creams here. You've got really great Scandi circles here on this page, which are great for cornerstones of a quilt. You can also just quilt around them, and it's really nice. We've also got this beautiful double border on the right side of the board here, and the advent calendar. Now, that's a great project that you can just sew up to another piece of fabric behind it, cut out the pockets, and in fact, you can actually see we've got the directions. This is like a free project in one. You've got all the instructions you need printed on the top of that. You don't necessarily need Christmas-themed prints in order to make Christmas quilts, though. Look no further than Laundry Basket Quilt's designer picks for Century Solids. You can see on the left here absolutely gorgeous colors if you're going to make a Christmas quilt, or if you want to add a couple of more colors and make the Alaska Rainbow Quilt. Every collection of fabric that I'm showing you today, including these Century Solids, are available now, today, at your favorite quilt and fabric store. If you do want something that screams bright and fun and cheery Christmas, look no further than Kim Schafer's Very Merry collection. Again, this collection is available now. It's got these wonderful cardinals with those wonderful holly leaves in there. You've got these colorful Christmas trees, that mid-century modern kind of Sputnik design there, and then all kinds of stripes and blenders to go with this collection. All these colors are going to bring a lot of cheer into your quilts, into your homes, and into your hearts. For those of you looking to fill in the gaps in your Christmas stash, or maybe you just need that one more blender to make that quilt and that pattern pop, Holiday Treats from Kim Schafer, which you see here, is a great option for both Christmas quilts and, as you can see below, Halloween. More on that to come. Now, if you want an elegant, traditional Christmas collection with the beautiful foliage and leaves, look no further than this Winter Rose collection, which is designed by the Andover Fabric Studio. These are great patterns here with the stunning lead pattern, that great foliage in the black, and also with the cream background on the right. Finally, let's wrap up with three beautiful Christmas groups from our friends across the pond at Macaur UK. This first one is Yuletide. It's got that great panel with the wreaths in the middle of the board here, and we've got some really nice gold metallic pops where you kind of see the gold on this board. You're going to get that little extra element of flavor. Flavor? Anyway, don't lick the fabric, but it's worth, just quilt it. It's going to be great. Next, we've got the Joy collection. This is a tight collection, just 9 SKUs, including another advent calendar on the right there. Again, that has all the instructions you're going to need to make that project. I'm a big fan of the cards on this one with the trees and the presents on top. Just make sure that you check every now and then, if you do strap those things to the top of your car, that they are still there, because that could be a hazard. Our friends from the beginning of the video, Petey Polar Bear. We've got the penguins over there. They are so nice, so good to have us in to their beautiful Santa's Workshop in this Let It Snow collection. Again, a great advent calendar on the right. And what else could he ask for? This is the gift that keeps on giving. Right now, I'm going to go outside. I would throw a snowball, but there's no snow. I'm going to basically pick up a handful of sand and just kind of toss it, and hopefully I won't blind myself with it.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas in July. If you want more of these videos, hit the like button and subscribe for more of these convincing accents. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care. Yeah.